probability is sharply decreased for those who are socially isolated. Here is the panel, almost similar patterns for social isolation and loneliness. Similarly, for disability and morbidity, they're not able to carry out activities of daily living. So very, very important. And there's another study which proves this. This was done in breast cancer survivors, and they found that out of the almost 9,000 women they surveyed, people who had smaller networks, who did not have friends or family to look after them, their mortality was much higher as compared to those who did have a robust social network. So thanks to this study, they're actually going to make this as a marker of prognosis for breast cancer survival. That how this is the, science and religion were always intertwined many centuries back, and now we are coming back to that. The social aspects of disease are equally important there. So this is also very interesting that all these longevities, people who stayed, they keep busy. They always feel wanted, they are useful in some aspects. So this is in Japan, of course, Okinawa, and they have this kind of weaving which is done to produce a very nice handloom fabric. It's called basho-fu weaving. And they found that only the elderly women, 64 and 201 who stay, as you can see, the thread is very fine. It takes a lot of patience, it takes a lot of dedication. You need to continue to do some kind of activity which stimulates your brain. You need a lot of sensory stimulation. So playing chess with your friends, learning a new skill, a new instrument, they say, it really enhances and, synaptic plasticity is at the highest then. So this, it's not all yarn that I'm saying. There is robust scientific data behind this. There is a group of people, they did 230 participants, again a cross-sectional study, 64 to 95 years, there was the spectrum, and they found that after employing the standard test, that around 122 had substantial cognitive decline, and the others had stable. So they just made them undergo training programs, mental training for 5 hours, and they found that this decline could actually be reversed